If you've ever pulled an all-nighter, you know the struggle. But did you know that every minute without sleep is literally rewiring your brain? When you sleep, your brain transforms into a high-speed cleaning crew, scrubbing away toxic waste and consolidating memories. Without it, that crew goes on strike, and chaos takes over. In deep sleep, your brain repairs itself. Cells regenerate. Toxins vanish. But cut sleep short and you risk memory lapses, mood swings, and a sabotaged immune system. It's like hitting the pause button on your brain's vital maintenance. Lack of sleep throws your hormones into turmoil. Your hunger skyrockets, stress hormones surge, and your body screams for a timeout. No sleep means your body's internal balance is completely out of whack. Take the case of Randy Gardner, who stayed awake for 11 days. The result? Hallucinations, paranoia, and a mind pushed to its limits. This isn't just an extreme experiment, it's a stark warning of what happens when sleep is denied. So here's your wake-up call. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a lifeline. Your brain's reset button, your body's repair shop. Without it, you're setting yourself up for disaster. Prioritize your rest and give your future self the gift of recovery. Smash that like button and subscribe for more myth-busting, mind-blowing insights that challenge everything you thought you knew about science and health.